2021 Indian Scout bobber.
21. I'm gonna change out the exhaust. This one's a little too quiet for me. Doesn't sound too ballsy, so we'll see what we got next.
So, nice easy way to start. What bolts are coming off first, and what are we doing here?
So we got two hose clamps inside here. 15 mil, pretty simple. We got two 13 mil bolts that hold it up here. I already took those out actually, and there's actually one 13 mil on the inside holding both together as one. So I already took those off. All I gotta do now, pretty much slip it off, put in the new ones, clamp it up, bolt it up, let it ride.
That's it. Let's get it done. So, literally, you guys saw how easy that was. Popping these off, and all we gotta do is just do the same thing, or the opposite thing with the new ones. But you can definitely tell these are a lot lighter than his other ones. How many pounds do you think that is? Probably like what, 2 pounds?
For the two, 15 pounds.
Okay.
Stock are 15 pounds each. That's 30 pounds itself coming off the bike.
Yeah. So these things are literal baseball bats. Big difference in size.
Very big.
That's what she said.
Very big, but little sound. Little sound, but a lot of noise.
Heard that, ladies? Devon. Shit, yeah, how's it sound without anything?
Oh, you want to hear what it sounds
Dude,
like?
I kind of do. I'm scared.
Well,
is it bad, like?
For the viewers, if you're wearing headphones, I'm sorry.
Oh, God.
My mom's gonna freak out.
Go.
And you're right behind it.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get a good angle. Yes. You should just do that. Just leave it like that.
I'm gonna go Devon one year.
Dude, that was ridiculous.
That's what a straight pipe bobber sounds like.
Yeah, so definitely need these.
Alright, so they say we put the first one, the bottom one, first. We'll go from there, so let's see.
I step still, hanging in the balance, not the life I want to live, I want to take it all, standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all.
She seems pretty solid.
About it.
About it. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. Definitely sets off car alarms enough, so that's a good thing. Set the alarm off again. Alrighty guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Shout out to Devon and shout out to his Sick Indian 2021. Thanks for the content. Good luck. More to come. There's gonna be a lot more moto vlogs and everything, so stay tuned for that. Besides that, I mean, we're all done, we're all set. We're gonna chill out and relax a little bit. Beautiful sunny day. Make your dreams possible, boys. Let's go.
Feel of discontent, I'm finally facing it all. Fearless.